Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discuss about difference between cement mortar and grout in construction. So mortar and grout both are used in field of construction, which are cement based products. Even with the both being cement based products, they have different properties and different uses and serve different purposes. So firstly, what is mortar? It is a mixture of sand, cement, lime and water, and it is applied as a paste which then sets hard. It is majorly used in the building projects as a binding material between stones, concretes and bricks. What is grout? It is a mixture of cement, sand, water or chemicals that are used to fill the gaps. It is highly viscous material which is used as a filler. They are generally used in repairing concrete cracks, gaps and waterproofing and also for soil stabilization. Grout is a binder but it is certainly not an adhesive. Now we see about difference between cement mortar and grout. So firstly we differentiate both on material. So mortar is a mixture of cement, sand, lime and water, and grout is a mixture of cement, water, sand, polymer, epoxy and or chemicals. Second, water cement ratio. So water cement ratio in mortar is generally less and in grout more. Third, primary function. So mortar, the primary function of cement mortar is to act as a binder in stone or brick masonry. Grout is acts as a filler material in cracks and tilting cracks. Fourth, stiffness. Mortar is more stiffer and grout is less stiff. Fifth is workability. Workability is more in mortar, whereas grout is difficult to handle it with trowel or with any other tool. Now porosity. Mortar is non-porous substance and grout is quite porous, holds water in it even after hardening. Now viscosity. Viscosity is low in mortar and highly viscous is grout. Now curing. Mortar needs curing for hardening process, whereas grout does not need extra water for curing. Initial quantity of water provided is enough for hardening. Now color. Mortar usually takes the color of cement, whereas grout comes in various colors as requirement. Now setting time. Mortar generally 30 minutes initial setting time for ordinary and rapid hardening Portland cements and 60 minutes for low heat cement as per specified by ISI, and grout setting time of grout is less when compared to mortar. I hope you like this video. Please do like, subscribe and share with your friends.